full funded scholarship that is an 100% of the tuition fee waiver if you want for your bachelor program of 3 years, and if you want this for your master program of 2 years. And if you are going for both bachelor and master program, then this scholarship is going to be a 5 years scholarship for you. Recently, I made a video about a PhD scholarship that is available currently in Finland, okay, that you can easily apply to, right? And a lot of people send me email asking if there's no scholarship that is an 100% tuition fee waiver for those that are planning to undertake their bachelor program and their master program. And this is what gave birth to this video today. So I want you to stick around as I walk you through all the information, all the detailed information about this tuition fee waiver scholarship and what you need to understand and all the information that is important about this particular scholarship. Okay, so I will be guiding you step by step because there are some information that you cannot do without, and we are going to be looking at that in this video. Okay, so if at any point you find this video useful, make sure you click on that like button. If you have any question, drop them at the comment box, and if you have any contribution to this, make sure you also drop it at the comment box as well, so that we can all learn on this channel. Okay, now let's look at this scholarship and which university is offering this scholarship right now. I have about 13 schools that are offering scholarship in Finland right now. Okay, so but let us talk about this Tampere University tuition fee scholarship right now. This scholarship will be awarded at admission at admission period, which means when you apply, you are going to be getting this scholarship, right? And if you are going for a 3 years program, then this will cover all your tuition fee, right? Okay, and if you are going for your 2-year master program, it will cover your 2-year master program, right? But there are also some other type of scholarship that you can also apply to, right? Okay, so this one is the Finland scholarship. Okay, this Finland scholarship awarded by Tampere University are part of the National Finland Scholarship Program. Okay, applicants to master program are eligible to apply. Finland scholarship are awarded at Tampere University to the most merited applicant in each master program. So you see now that there is difference between this. Okay, here it says Finland scholarship cover the program tuition fee for the first year of study, and it includes a €5,000 relocation grant paid to the student Finnish bank account after the student has arrived in Tampere and started study at Tampere University. So which means once you relocate, you are going to be getting your relocation allowance of €5,000 that you can use to cover all the expenses that you've paid to migrate to Finland, which means this is covering your travel expenses, and also of course it will work for part of your living expenses as well, and it's going to cover your tuition fee for the first year of your study. Okay, in addition, the Tampere University award a Tampere University tuition fee scholarship for the second year of study to all recipients. Okay, so I hope you understand it now, because I'm giving you a breakdown of how this tuition fee scholarship work, and also how the Finland scholarship also work as well. The Tampere University tuition fee scholarship will not work for you in the first year. You are going to be getting the Finland scholarship itself for the first year, and it will also give you the €5,000. Then in the second year, you are going to now be getting the Tampere University tuition fee scholarship in the second year. Okay, and this will also cover 100% of your tuition fee in the second year of your study. Okay, so that's the first and second year of your program. So if you are going for your master program and it's a 2-year program, this means you have a full funded scholarship to cover both your first year and second year program. Okay, so I want you to pay attention because there are a lot of information that I need to give you right inside this video. Okay, because this is a requested video, and I need to give you proper information for you to understand detailed information about everything that is attached to this scholarship. Okay, so there are some type of scholarship that is not a full funded scholarship, right? Okay, but I want you to pay attention as we continue in this video. Okay, so if we also come to this part, it says the early bird offer. They also have this early bird offer, and in addition to scholarship, an early bird offer is available at admission to all fee paying students, including students who have been awarded a Tampere University scholarship or a Finland scholarship at admission. The early bird offer gives a 50% reduction on the program tuition during the first year of study. So you also need to understand, if you are going to be paying your tuition fee, then there's also an early bird offer as well that is available. Okay, if you know Finland very very well, once they will say sometimes if you can pay in 7 days, or if you can pay in 14 days, half of the money, some percentage of your tuition fee, then you can get the early bird scholarship. Okay, so most students, once you are able to pay maybe at the period that was given to you by the school, then you can take advantage of the 50% early bird offer. Okay, so before we look at how you can easily apply, there are some other information that I would like us to look at right now. Okay, so now you need to understand that for you to retain the Tampere University tuition fee scholarship throughout the program duration, uh, as you are progressing, you need to retain at least 55 credits during your academic year. Okay, so once you are able to retain up to 55 credits during your academic year, then you are going to be getting your scholarship continually. Okay, so if a scholarship recipient complete 50 to 54 credits during the academic year, each of our scholarship will be reduced to 50%. So which means if you are not getting up to 55 credits, if your credit is between 50 to 54, then they will reduce your scholarship to 50% scholarship. So I want you to get that clearly. If you are able to get up to 55 credits in your in your next academic year, then you will still get the 100% tuition fee at the university. But if your credit is less than 55 credits, then you are going to be getting 50% reduction in your scholarship. So that's like uh, half of the payment. Okay, so you need to make sure you also focus on your study, because you've been given 5,000 euro relocation grant, and this will help you to focus on your study, right? Okay, so that is that, and that is one of the information you need to understand. Okay, so don't forget that this Tampere University is one of the top university in Finland that you can apply to and get a scholarship. Now let us understand how you can apply to this scholarship right now. So if you scroll to this session, this is where the information is right now. Okay, so for you to apply to this scholarship, you need to prepare before, and okay, so you need to make sure you are prepared. Okay, so you need to make sure that when you are applying, you need to apply for this scholarship as part of your application for admission during the application period for admission, right? Okay, so for applicants to master program, the application period is usually in December, okay, right? And if you are going for bachelor, it is usually in the January, okay. But I found something here that some of these schools, you can actually be on the wait list. Okay, so if you are on the wait list, then once the application starts, you can fill in the application beforehand. So once you fill in the application, then and you are on the waiting list, then you can probably be considered first. Okay, but right now the application to this scholarship is not open, but there are some other ones here like the Fulbright. There's another one here called the Fulbright. Okay, so this one is actually the deadline is usually in October. So you need to go and check this one right now to go and to see if you can apply to this, because it's a graduate award for a US citizen admitted to the Tampere University Master Program. So if you are from US, so you might want to look at that, and if you are not a US citizen, then you might want to look at other ones. Okay, so there's another one here called the Tampere University International Advancement Scholarship. Okay, so this one here, I think is also an 100 tuition fee scholarship are not eligible. So 100 tuition. So if you've applied to the 100% tuition fee scholarship, then you are not eligible for this one. It said Tampere University International Advancement Scholarship reward fee paying students for making swift progress in study. It is available annually for students who pay tuition fee for their study, either full or partial fee. Students who are studying in on 100% tuition, okay, so you might not want to consider this actually. You might not want to be considering this. Okay, so you may be awarded the International Advancement Scholarship if you complete at least 60 credits of study included in your it is a 1,005 euro scholarship paid to. Okay, so I will not advise you pay this. So what they do in the previous year will still happen in the current year. So you might be looking at 2021, 2022. You don't have to bother about this, because whatever they do in the previous year is still what they will do in the current year. So make sure you watch out for this scholarship and go to the school portal. The main thing I want you to do is to go to the school portal and go and check the program that you want to apply to right now. Once you check the program you want to apply to, then check the program requirements, get all your documents ready, because that is the most important part of your application, either for admission or for a scholarship. Once you are able to meet up with the admission deadline or the admission requirement, then you are very sure that you are going to be getting admission. Then as this scholarship is part of your admission application, then you will be certain that you are going to be getting the scholarship. Okay, someone was commenting on my MBC video that that is because we put out content, that is why some of these schools are being filled up. Okay, yes, if we don't bring out this content for you, how will you know, how will you be able to enjoy the benefits? Okay, so make sure you watch this video at this point, prepare all the information you need to understand. Remember, this is Tampere University, and Tampere is one of the top university in Finland that you can apply to study either on a full tuition or on a 50% early bird offer. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for you, and I hope it's going to help someone, because it is not every time you need to pay tuition. You have to enjoy scholarship some other time as well, and this is majorly for bachelor and masters. And if you are going for both your bachelor and masters, remember you can get a 5 years tuition fee 100% paid for you at this university with their scholarship. Okay, so till then, if you are a new subscriber here, or if you are a new viewer on this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button. And if you watch all my previous content and you are not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, drop them at the comment box. If you have any contribution to this video, drop it at the comment box. Let us all learn together. Till then, I will catch up with you in another one. Peace. If you like to get or migrate abroad, I have a migration blueprint system that you can use to migrate abroad, either for you to work abroad or for you to study abroad. And inside these blueprints, you are going to be getting the step by step that will help you migrate to country of your choice. You are going to be getting your PR easily. You have your migration plan, countries that is very easy for you to relocate without breaking the banks. You're going to be getting step by steps on how you can get list of schools, because I have list of schools in this migration blueprint system that you don't have to worry yourself about the interview question that most people fail, and why the interview rejection always come. Maybe you apply for a visa and your visa is being rejected, how you can appeal for a visa rejection and all of those. And also you have a one-on-one access to me where we talk about how you can also migrate with your family, help you with the application process. You can get this today for just $171 instead of paying $1,011 right now. So if you want to get this system, you can send me email or you can come to this link right here to come and get this blueprint system for you. This is packaged with every information you need to migrate abroad easily. It guides you how you can do search, how you can apply for things. Most especially, you have access to me. If you get this system, we guide you through the steps how you can easily migrate with your family. Okay, so this is a blueprint system that you should get right now if you are planning to migrate away from home.